today I'd like to introduce our student Panagiotis from here in local Heraklion, Greece. Okay, so I like Panos so much because he's always challenging. And then when he doesn't understand, he will ask me everything. Everything. It's sometimes difficult to actually explain everything because sometimes the question is very deep. But as a learner, as a Japanese learner, definitely good to ask everything because it's not common language and it's not something that's easy to learn, easy to understand everything. So when the people doesn't understand, most of students and most of people doesn't ask because maybe shy, maybe feel bad to ask everything. But if you want to learn perfect, if you want to be a perfect speaker or writer and learner, ask everything. If you're not sure, I'm not sure if my sentence is correct, ask now, because if you're not sure, which means your knowledge is not perfect. If your knowledge is not perfect, ask everything. Then, Panos, ask me everything all the time. Then this is today I would like to show you his speaking test. So he tried to communicate always with me, try to ask some questions to the other student in Japanese and ask me something in Japanese. Always he's challenging. So I'm sure he can learn much faster than just quiet. So I'm I would like to say, I'm really happy to say that it's congratulations. He passed this A1 speaking and keep going, keep challenging. So please watch Panos A1 speaking test. パノスくんこんにちは。
こんにちは。
はい。イラクリオンのおすすめの場所はどこですか？喫茶店とかレストランとか何とか。
ハシエンダのカフェは一番です。
ああ、そうですか。パノスくん、趣味は何ですか？
趣味は音楽、プログラミング、映画です。
そうですか。
好きな音楽は、ロック、メタル、ラップ、そしてラップです。ラップつまり、グリックロック、トリペス、パヌスや、トリペスや、すみません。次は、ラップです。グリックラップ、ドデカや、タフラフトや、そしてアメリカのラップ、日本語ラップも、ミヤチ、アクロ、ヨシさん、ペットがありますか？
私
がいますか？
ペットいません。子供の時に犬がいました。子供の時、犬、柴犬いました。パノスくんはペット？
柴犬は、もっと可愛いです。
柴犬可愛いですよ。パノスくんはペットいますか？
はい、ペット2匹がいます。ペットは、イルマです。イルマはダルメシャンの犬です。今はババ、つまり、14歳です。
14歳。
でも、すごく元気です。
そうですか、すごい。Well done!
ありがとうございます。